Now remember to take marker paint, and every time you come across a sprinkler, to strike a line, or sprinkler line. Hey man, it's it's that time of the day. All right, so here's a sprinkler line, and it's so easy to get lost amongst all the roots. And you know, you go ahead and you start putting in your fabric and you miss one. We don't have that luxury of being able to run the sprinkler system this time of the year. Everything's been winterized and blown out. So we take marker paint and just strike the ground wherever we cut a sprinkler line. Then when we're unrolling the fabric, we look for it. We'll go ahead and put a coupler in at that time. Cut a little hole in our fabric so we can get the sprinkler pipe through. It's a methodical way of going about it, but don't leave all these loose ends and expect to remember where everything's at. It's not going to work out well for you.